Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best mobile projector is probably one of the most versatile gadgets you can own today, transforming any space into a personal cinema or an interactive presentation hub with unparalleled portability and ease of use. Imagine projecting your favorite movies, gaming sessions, or important business presentations onto any surface, anywhere, without the hassle of bulky equipment or complicated setups. This compact device unlocks a world of visual possibilities, making it an indispensable tool for entertainment enthusiasts and professionals alike who value flexibility and a big screen experience on the go. Number 5. Discover stunning visuals with our latest upgraded projector. It delivers crisp, clear images with vibrant colors, bringing every detail to life for an unparalleled viewing experience. Transform any space into a cinema with a massive 200-inch screen. Enjoy an immersive experience that lasts for years, thanks to its advanced cooling system and extended lamp life. Immerse yourself in the action without distraction. Our advanced noise reduction technology significantly lowers fan noise, while built-in stereo speakers deliver clear, powerful sound. This portable projector offers versatile connectivity with HDMI, USB, and more. Easily connect your smartphone, laptop, or gaming console for endless entertainment possibilities. Perfect for movie nights and gaming, it creates a fun outdoor home theater experience. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support. Designed for durability, this device boasts an extended lamp life of up to 55,000 hours. Its efficient cooling system ensures reliable performance for over 15 years of use. What we like. This projector offers a fantastic home theater experience with its sharp, vibrant visuals and impressive 200-inch screen. Its extended lamp life means you won't be replacing bulbs anytime soon. If you're looking for a durable, quiet projector for movie nights at home, this is a solid choice. What people say. The projector is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It offers a bright and clear picture, even in moderately lit rooms. The built-in speaker provides decent sound quality for casual viewing. Number 4. Mount it, Rolling Projector Cart My, 7943. Keep your projector and laptop organized on independent platforms. Easily roll your entire setup wherever you need it, eliminating cord clutter and freeing up table space. It's perfect for classrooms, offices, and home theaters. This heavy-duty cart is built with a steel frame rated for up to 88 pounds. You can confidently mount your projector, laptop, and accessories. Metal lips on each tray ensure your devices stay securely in place, even when moving. For smooth rolling, casters allow you to reposition the cart in seconds. When you stop moving, 2 built-in locking brakes keep the stand stable, ensuring no wobbling during your presentation. Easily adjust the height from 36.25 to 57.5 inches to match your setup, whether seated or standing. The top tray tilts up to 30 degrees, ensuring your projector always hits the screen at the ideal angle. The open vent design of the trays allows for airflow around your equipment. This reduces heat buildup during long sessions, protecting your devices during extended use. Assembly is straightforward with all necessary hardware and tools included. A clear, step-by-step guide is provided, and US-based support is available if you need assistance. This product comes from a brand trusted in thousands of locations. It's backed by a lifetime warranty and US-based customer support, giving you peace of mind long after purchase. What we like. This rolling cart provides ultimate flexibility for your presentation needs. With adjustable height and smooth rolling wheels, you can position your equipment exactly where you need it. If you frequently move your projector and laptop between rooms or need a stable setup for classrooms and offices, this cart is an excellent solution. What people say. The projector is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. The picture quality is surprisingly good for its size, with bright colors and clear details. It has a built-in battery that lasts for about 2 hours, which is convenient for outdoor use. Number 3. Pericat Portable 4K Wi-Fi Bluetooth Projector. Immerse yourself in a clearer, brighter, and richer picture with our upgraded 1080p Full HD projector. It uses the latest projection technology and a high-quality lens for a longer service life. Enjoy lag-free online streaming with the latest dual-band Wi-Fi. Connect your wireless headphones or speakers effortlessly with Bluetooth 5.3 for a personalized audio experience. This versatile device is compatible with a wide range of devices including game consoles, PCs, and smartphones. It's perfect for movies, gaming, parties, and outdoor activities. Create an immersive 200-inch display from a distance of 4.1 to 17.5 feet. With zoom and keystone correction, you can easily achieve the perfect picture anywhere. Its compact size makes it easy to carry in your bag, perfect for movie nights, sports viewing, or outdoor camping adventures. Packaged beautifully, it makes an ideal gift for loved ones. Enjoy wonderful reunion times with family and friends, creating lasting memories. We are committed to providing excellent product quality and service. Our 24/7 customer service team is here to assist you with any issues you may encounter. What we like. Experience seamless wireless connectivity with its fast dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3. This projector delivers crisp 1080p visuals and offers a giant 200-inch display. If you want a portable projector that's easy to connect wirelessly for outdoor movies or parties, this is the one for you. What people say. The picture quality is surprisingly good for its size, with vibrant colors and decent sharpness even in moderately lit rooms. It's incredibly portable, fitting easily into a backpack, making it perfect for impromptu movie nights or presentations on the go. The built-in speaker is loud enough for casual viewing, and the connectivity options, HDMI, USB, Bluetooth, are versatile. Number 2. Nebula Capsule 3 Laser Smart TV Projector. Experience vibrant visuals with our advanced laser light source. It delivers exceptional brightness and clarity, ensuring your images are always bright and clear. This device is incredibly portable, weighing just 2 pounds and significantly smaller than others with similar brightness. It projects a massive 120-inch screen, perfect for movies or presentations anywhere. Enjoy extended entertainment with up to 2.5 hours of movie playback or 8 hours of music on a single charge. Plus, it supports convenient PD charging with a power bank. Elevate your entertainment experience with integrated Google TV, Google Assistant, and Google Cast. You also get officially licensed Netflix for endless content. Immerse yourself in crisp, dynamic audio with its powerful 8W Dolby Digital speakers. Every viewing becomes a delightful sonic experience. What we like. This mini projector boasts a laser light source for bright, clear 1080p images up to 120 inches. With Google TV and official Netflix, you have access to endless content. If you're a traveler or someone who wants a highly portable smart projector for on-the-go entertainment, this is an ideal pick. What people say. The projector has a very bright screen, and the picture quality is excellent. It is very portable and easy to set up, making it perfect for movie nights anywhere. The built-in speaker is surprisingly good, providing clear and loud sound without needing external speakers. Number 1. Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K Projector. Introducing the Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K Projector. Witness stunning 4K UHD quality with incredible brightness, making your movies shine even with the lights on. It's perfect for both home entertainment and professional use. Setting up is a breeze with our intelligent environment adaptation technology. It analyzes your room and automatically adjusts the screen to fit your space, ensuring a seamless viewing experience without any manual hassle. Designed with an ergonomic handle, you can easily take this projector from your living room to backyard. Enjoy your favorite movies wherever you desire, making portable entertainment a reality. Prepare to be enveloped by sound. With dual 5W tweeters and dual 10W speakers, it delivers rich, powerful audio that immerses you in the action of every movie and game. Access over 400,000 movies and shows from more than 7,000 apps with Android TV 10.0. You'll never run out of content to explore, ensuring endless entertainment possibilities. Enjoy smart features like autofocus and auto keystone correction for a perfect picture every time. Remember to keep its firmware updated for the best performance. What we like. This projector delivers stunning 4K UHD visuals with its bright laser engine, even in well-lit rooms. Its intelligent setup features automatically adjust the picture to your space. If you're seeking a premium home theater experience with exceptional image quality and smart, hassle-free setup, this projector is a top contender. What people say. The projector has a built-in battery that lasts for 2.5 hours, which is great for outdoor use. The image quality is surprisingly good for its size, with vibrant colors and sharp details. It's incredibly portable and easy to set up, making it perfect for movie nights anywhere. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.